Hey guys, Josh Koval with MLC CAD Systems. This is a quick tech tip for something that I've seen quite a lot lately, the dreaded HoleWizard Toolbox database version mismatch error. Wait, this requires a more dramatic intro. Anyway, this generally happens when SOLIDWORKS is updated to a new year's release and something prevents the installation manager from updating it automatically. No need to panic. You can update it manually using the installation media downloaded when the new version was installed. I'm going to take you through that process step by step. Let's have a look. In our scenario, the Toolbox HoleWizard database is hosted locally, but the process is the same for shared databases. By default, the Toolbox is installed here in the C drive. First things first, and I really can't emphasize this enough, if you've customized your Toolbox, back up your data. This is a very low-risk process, but anything can happen. So create the backup and protect yourself against that one thing that never happens. Now to the update. The update is a two-step process. First, we're going to update the Toolbox database, then we'll update the Toolbox content. To update the database, SOLIDWORKS provides us with an update utility called Update Browser Data in the SOLIDWORKS program files. The utility can be found here. Right-click and run as an administrator. Database to update should be the location of the database set in your SOLIDWORKS options. The updating database will be set by default to the program file location. Hit Update to finish the database update. Next, we'll update the content of the Toolbox. Like the database, SOLIDWORKS provides us with a utility that will update all of our Toolbox content for us, which can be found here. Like before, we're going to run this utility as an administrator, click the Process button, and let it run. I hope you found that tech tip useful. If you did, please hit the subscribe and notification button down below to keep up to date with the latest SOLIDWORKS news. If you didn't know you could customize your toolbox to meet your specific needs, reach out to your local MLC CAD Systems representative to start a dialogue. And as always, thanks for watching.